I'm going to show you how to make a week's worth of snacks with a few simple ingredients.
Hi there, I'm Elaine from On the Same Page Together. On this channel, we talk about all things family. We like to share what works for us as we strive to encourage you on your journey in life and family. This video is part of a collaboration playlist with a bunch of other families hosted by my friend Anna over at Anna's Family Life. She invited each of us to share how we involve our kids in the kitchen. I will link to the playlist as well as her channel in the description box below. If you've seen any of my other recipe videos, you know that my kiddos love to be a part of the action in the kitchen with me. However, today's video is a snack compilation that Kiddo 1 developed completely on her own and presented to me as a video idea. She is the writer, director, and star of this one, and I can't wait to share it with you.
My mom got the celery ready for me. She took out all of the hard strings, which is a trick that my grandma taught her, which helps kids like it better.
Have you ever tried this hack? Let us know in the comments. It has definitely been a game changer at our house. Thanks, Grandma.
Now we're going to do the peanut butter.
Are you making those for me?
Yeah.
Give us a thumbs up if this is a snack your kiddo could put together themselves. Show Kiddo 1 some love by hitting that like button and letting us know if this is going to make it into your snack rotation.
It's easy to take a few simple ingredients and make a week's worth of snacks by changing one element every day. We started out with celery and apples. You can choose any variety of apple and even change it up each day. Next, we covered them in peanut butter. You can use any nut butter or alternative of your choice. We topped them with raisins, craisins, and chocolate chips.
What toppings will you choose?
Come and get it, girls!
Here's the collaboration playlist. Don't forget to check out the other videos. If you want to see more of what we do in the kitchen, check out this playlist. Interested in homeschooling? I got a playlist for that right here. And here's a video that YouTube thinks you'll like. Just click on one of these and I'll see you over there.